him! We need all the help we can get!
Northbound train arriving.
There's no way out of this for you!
Southbound train arriving shortly.
He's lighting me up! What the fuck? Get down! Move!
I don't want to be here.
Get a grip!
Don't fuck with me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, about that. One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. But you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.